Recall that my Machine Learning Foundation series consists of 8 subjects, and that the subject we're currently undertaking is the third in the series, and it's called Calculus 1, Limits and Derivatives. To make the subject more readily digestible, I broke it up into 3 thematic segments. The first of 3 segments of the Calculus 1 subject was limits, in which we covered how to calculate limits. And now that we understand limits, we're prepared to tackle computing derivatives with differentiation. More specifically, in segment 2, we'll learn about the delta method, a technique that leverages limits to make sense of derivatives in a highly visual way, the differentiation equation, which formalizes the relationship between limits and derivatives and provides us with the most common mathematical representation of differentiation. We'll talk about differentiation notation, and then we'll go through a handful of nifty rules that enable us to calculate the derivatives of a wide range of functions, including those found throughout machine learning.